The cars are still broken, but the clients don't care, so here we go again. First up, the fabric company. Their internet died, so they could not see the cameras from their phones. When their router dies, the whole system goes offline. So we had to go there and change the SIM card and reboot everything. Now it's okay and done. Next, a car dealership had a glitch. We went there, found the problem. Seems one of the switches was dead. So we swapped it and brought back the offline cameras. And then one client who purchased alarm system from us some time ago bought a new house. So we had to uninstall all the system from the old house and reinstall it in the new one. It took a lot of time, but we finished it. After all that, I went to the barber. I was destroyed today. A watch page, a new reel and 2 stories, growing slowly. And about the camera selling shops. Competition dropped their prices, so I have to switch to a new brand. I haven't made the bundles with the new brand, so no advertisement yet. I need to make the bundles again. Day 17 done. Cars are still broken though. But tomorrow we go again. Tomorrow fixing the car or more chaos.